Today we're going to show you how to display the new channel view available on your Alpha 300i handheld. This feature allows us to see potential conflicts from other devices in use in your area. On your Alpha 300i handheld, from the main menu, scroll down and select Channel View. You will see a list of the 5 channels available. If there are any devices using those frequencies, they will be highlighted. By selecting My Devices at the top, you will see a list of any devices we have actively tracked on your Alpha 300i handheld. This includes compatible dog collars or other handhelds. This information allows you to see where there are potential interference issues. If you need to change a setting because of a conflict, select the device from the list. You'll be prompted if you want to change the device's ID. By selecting Yes, your Alpha 300i handheld will scan for an ID without interference. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.